Hello everyone, it's Robin, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today for dinner, I made Lebanese inspired arrays. I threw them on the grill. They're super delicious and easy to make. To go along with them, I made a few side dishes. I'll show you how to make them. Let's begin with the cauliflower couscous salad with almonds, herbs, and cherries. Soak the dried cherries in vinegar. You want to get those nice and plump. I use 2 of my favorite kinds of vinegar for this, but you can just use red wine vinegar if you choose to. Toast up the almonds real quick and set those aside. Then get to work at chopping and breaking up your cauliflower. If you have a food processor, you definitely want to use that, or you can just use your knife. It does make a big old mess though. So you want it to resemble couscous, like so. And then put that in a big bowl and start adding all your seasonings. This is one of my favorite salads of this year so far, 2024. We loved it. I added edamame in there too, and the olive oil. In goes the almonds and the parsley. Now you want to use fresh mint leaves, but they do turn black in the leftovers, so just add those as you eat. Give it a good old mix. And there it is. It's beautiful. It's crunchy and the flavors develop with leftovers. We loved it. On to the carrot salad with tahini, crispy chickpeas, and pistachios. Add seasoning to the chickpeas with olive oil, and then pop those in the oven, and you want to crisp those and roast those till crunchy. Set those aside, and then make a dressing with tahini, garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and little red pepper flakes for zing. And you want to thin it out with water because the tahini tends to get a little thick. And that's all there is to it. Shred the carrots at a long diagonal, any way that you can. I used my box grater. Cut up the parsley, cut the salted pistachios. Now put everything together. Start with a little sauce at first, and then if you want to add more, add it. Adjust the seasonings as you go along, and then mix everything together. It's beautiful. I love the long diagonal shreds. And as with the other salad, the flavors develop over time. Loving it. Let's make a garlic yogurt sauce for the arrays. With just a little garlic yogurt, water, and salt, mix it up and set that aside. The flavors will develop. Now I'm using lamb. You can use beef or turkey. Add the seasonings to that and give that a good old mix. Now you can make 8 arrays, or you can make 4 fat arrays, however you choose to do. I made 8. And you just take your individual portions and stuff them in there and kind of squish them around a little bit. You want to make sure you get them flat and even. I threw mine on the grill. You can put them in a fry pan if you choose to. So I put a little olive oil on the outside of each one. But the outside got really crispy. It was delicious, and the inside stayed nice and juicy. Loving it. They were so good. Now I did make 2 salads just because I couldn't decide which one I wanted. You could just make one if you want, or just make the arrays. If you make anything, make the arrays. They're delicious. Or just make one of the salads. I couldn't make up my mind, so I just made all 3. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help.